Today we are cooking up some marrow butter. I know what you're thinking, butter? That's not healthy. Well, butter, while it's gotten a bad rap over the last few years, it actually is well documented that it protects against heart disease and it supports thyroid function as it contains vitamin A and iodine. It also contains medium and short-chain fatty acids that have anti-cancer properties. And today we're adding the nutrient powerhouse that is bone marrow. So rather than reach for those synthetic supplements, this will provide bioavailable minerals in their natural form. Bone marrow is found inside bones and contains stem cells that develop into red blood cells, white blood cells, or platelets, which are involved in oxygen transportation, immune function, and blood clotting. Marrow contains minerals and proteins such as collagen. Collagen is amino acids that help to break down protein and repair tendons and inflammation. It helps to break down fats and proteins, and in addition, it supports DNA and RNA synthesis, helping longevity of life. So if you're looking to get a wide abundance of minerals, bone marrow is one of the best home sources for iron, zinc, and magnesium. For this recipe, you should source some organic grass-fed bones or the best bones that you can find. Ask the butcher to cut the bones so that the marrow is exposed. So we have here one marrow bone that has been cut down the middle and also cut in half. You place those into a baking tray ready to bake, and we also are going to add a small amount of salt just to increase some flavour. Preheat the oven to 150 degrees. When it has come to temperature, add the bones for around 20 minutes or until the marrow has started to come away from the bones. Remove them from the oven and place them to the side to cool. Within the tray, you will also notice that there has been a lot of the dripping that has been extracted. Make sure to keep that for other recipes and cooking as an oil. Once the bones are cold enough to touch, then you are going to scrape out the marrow from each of them. Scrape it into a separate bowl. Make sure you get all of the marrow from each of the bones. By the end, this should accumulate to about 2 tablespoons of marrow. I've also added in some of the dripping as well. To that, we're going to add 100 grams of softened grass-fed butter, and then you are going to whip this until it is turned white. Then our recipe is complete. This will store in an airtight container for up to a week, or you can turn it into a butter log, which can be frozen for up to 6 months. Use this as you would any other butter, such as spreading straight onto bread or as a base for recipes such as roast vegetables. You can check out this video where I have used it in my daily routine. Like this video and share it with the ones you love to get all those benefits from this superfood. Don't forget to subscribe so I can share with you more healthy lifestyle tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.